Today we're going to talk about how to use a hand tether for guide running. Starting with the hand tether, this is made out of paracord tied with 2 stopper knots at each end. You want your paracord to be a maximum of 12 inches, but you and your pairing can decide what distance works best for you. The tether goes in between 2 fingers so that the stopper knot is held in between your fingers so that you don't have to hold it with a closed fist. The athlete and the guide stand side by side, using the tether in between their inside hands. It can be helpful to have a pairing of similar heights if possible. When running, the guide and the athlete's arms will move in sync with each other. Getting into ready position with elbows bent at a 90-degree angle, forearms are parallel to the ground, and creating an L shape with your arm. Your arms will swing in opposition to your feet, so when you step forward with your right foot, your left hand will come up towards your mouth. When you step forward with your left foot, your right arm will come up towards your mouth. Before running, practice arm and leg movement in place by alternating high knees and arms to get the motion down. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. When you both are ready, it's time to take off.
NWABA team members demonstrating guide running with the hand tether.
We have hand tethers available to borrow at no cost through our lending library, but it is possible to make one of these at home just by cutting a piece of paracord and tying 2 knots at the end. Happy running!